How would you like it if you were giving out $10,000 to start whatever business that you would like to invest in? Instead of spending your own hard-earned $10,000 that maybe took you 4 to 5 months to make, now you can get a free $10K handed out to you, and you have $20,000 in capital to invest in whatever you need to make yourself successful. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 banks that will give you $10,000 with only a 480 to 500 credit score. 2 of these banks pulls from Equifax and 1 of these banks pulls from Experian, and all you need is a 480 credit score to get approved, and I'm going to show you how to get approved the easiest and fastest way possible if you watch this full video. Let's hop straight into the desktop, and I'm going to show you how you can get approved with these loans, guys, and I'm going to show you what you need to put on credit applications so that you won't get declined in the future when you are trying to get funding. Don't forget to check out the links in the description where I do provide coaching calls to help you boost your credit the fast way, to help you get started in whatever business venture you're in. And also, I do provide online websites that I do structure and will make you to make a drop shipping store. Also, guys, don't forget about the Lotta ebook store where you can get step-by-step ebook tutorials on how to invest the easiest way possible. And don't forget to look over the YouTube channel where we have many videos on how to trade, how to start a 6-figure trucking business with no money down, and also various ways to make money online. So with all that being said, let's get straight into these 3 banks onto the desktop. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Ooh. What's good, YouTube? So now over on the desktop, and as you can see, the first credit union we have pulled up is NIH Credit Federal Credit Union. So guys, over here, man, they got 9-month certificates, now only 4.5 APY, man. So actually they do have a lot of options for you over here on NIH, and the ones I want to go over is the get a loan. They also have the home loan, but let's get into this credit card real fast because they do approve you for some good funding on your credit card, guys. So if you go to get a credit card, it'll take you to this screen right here, and once you figure out if you want a business credit card or a personal credit card, yes, guys, they do have business options over here on this bank, as well as the other 2 bank accounts that I have that I'm about to go over in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. But anyways, you can get a business credit card or just a regular credit card. And to get more funding, guys, this is how you do it. This is what the application will look like. So I've already got started. I've already put in like my personal information, like my email and stuff. So I want to get a credit card, man. So what you would do is you would pretty much put which credit card that you want. And as you can see, at the bottom is going to be the least and the most easiest to get approved for, and at the top is going to be the hardest to get approved for. So you're already going to need to have good credit for this. So for most of my viewers out here, and most of my people just starting off with their credit or have bad credit, you want to go ahead and get this secured card right here. So once you get the secured card, man, you want to say you've read the agreement. Looks like you got to press the agreement or whatever, and then you want to say I have read this. All right, so once you've read it, then it'll ask you for a lot more information. As you can see, I put some fake information up here. KINGLATTA, you know what I'm saying, that's the name. Living situation, you want to put that you live with parents, guys, because if you live with parents, you're not paying any bills, guys. You're not really giving any money out, man. And then your monthly housing payment, guys, you would put that you pay like $300 if you are paying a little bit of rent, or you could put $0 if you're not paying any rent. And time at this address, you can put like 15 or whatever, you know what I'm saying, so that they can know that you are a permanent resident, that you have stable housing, guys. Employment status, you never want to put self-employed or unemployed, guys. You don't want to put self-employed or unemployed because they know that with unemployed, they know you're not making any money, and self-employed means that you could possibly be not making any money, because 80% of self-employed business owners are not making money. They're not actually making hard net profit. So you want to put employment, you want to go ahead and put full-time or part-time. So for this one, you want to put full-time. You want to put current employer, let's say Walmart, man, and then at whatever job you're working at, you want to say that you're a manager, or you want to say that you're CEO, because when they see that you're a manager or CEO, that means you're making good money. And also, to get approved, guys, and please take note of what I'm saying on this section right here. This is the most important part of the video on how you can get approved for more funding. On your annual income, say you're making $40,000 a year. So what is that? A little bit under $4,000 a month, a little bit under it. So for your annual income, guys, you want to put your projected of what you're going to make. So you want to put 45, because let's say you want to buy a car, you want to flip a car, or let's say you want to get into some quick trading, man, on pocket option. You want to do some quick trading. I do provide how to trade, guys, and as you can see over here, we're making all this money. 4 in a row that we've just won. We also lost 4 in a row, but just look at all the wins before that, guys. So you can make easy money over here on pocket option, which can correlate to your you know, how much money you make per year. And only an extra $5,000 a month is literally like an extra $300 a month of what you made in trading, guys. So yeah, you can put your projected net income, and then the length of employment, guys, put 2 years, or put, you know, 1 year, or just put anything over 6 months, guys, because as you can see, for these loans and a lot of loans, especially home loans and car loans, they want to see that you've been on the job for at least 2 years, guys. So go ahead and put 2 years, man, and you want to add another income source, you can go ahead and do that. But yes, this is how you can get approved for, you know, more funding. So if we can go to the next button, please select yes, US citizen. If it will let us go to the next button, guys, no thank you. So guys, once we go ahead and put in our details, we did have to change our address to a valid address, zip code. So loan amount requested, let's go ahead and put $10,000, since the topic is about $10,000. You want to go to the next, and then you want to go to review, man, and this is pretty much the loan application, and that's how you get for this credit card, and you got the confirmation screen. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get started with how to get the loans, man. You want to get the loans, guys, on NIH Credit Union. Well, guys, all you will have to do is go to get a loan, and this is how you do the same process for credit cards as you would do for a loan. So you would continue application, student loan, and these are all the options that they have, and you can get up to 10K with this NIH Federal Credit Union. So on to the next one. I hope that one didn't take too long, guys, but I just wanted to explain how you could get, you know, funding and how you can get credit with these banks. And so you have to start with the lowest card, the secured card, and work your way up. And they also have lines of credit and all of that. So that is NIH, guys. So let's go ahead and go to the next one that also pulls from Experience. So the two that I just went over, actually the two that I went over pulls from Equifax, and this next one I'm gonna go over for my last one pulls from Experience. So these two pull from Equifax, so keep that in mind. And we have Truist. So to get to this loans over here, you would obviously go to the loan tab, and you would go to personal loan or personal line of credit. So we can go to the personal loan. You can see all the options that they have. The minimum loan amount is $3,500, and guys, they have 8.7 to 17% APR. And for a little calculator right here, guys, I always like to go over the calculator in my videos, but let's just say we wanted $10,000 because this topic is on $10,000. And let's just say you think you're a boss, man. You think you can renew this in just 2 years, 24 months, and you're in the state, the beautiful state of, let's say, Florida, man, because that's my home state. That's where I'm from. And this is going to be your estimated payment. So you're going to be paying around $400 to $480, guys. And you're going to be, you know, paying about $11,624. So this is how your payments are going to be. This is what you're going to see. And if you want to go through a longer term, and with going through a longer term, banks like to see this longer term. That means they can get more interest. As you can see with this longer term on $10,000, they're going to get $4,000 more dollars, but your payment is going to be sliced in half, so you will be able to pay this payment off the easiest way and as slow as possible. And, you know, just save money while you're at it, because why pay, you know, $400 to almost $500 to get this loan paid off in 2 years when you can just go slow. Let's say you're trying to start a trucking business, because I do have multiple businesses on trucking, multiple videos on trucking throughout the channel. Say you are trying to start a trucking business, and you know you're making $1,000 every other day. So with this payment only being $300 for 3 years, man, you can make this $10,000 in literally 1 month and only be paying, you know, $300 towards it. So it's a free money, guys. So this is the Truist loan, guys. This is how you can get to it with the personal line of credit. They do have $5,000 minimum, $0 application or cash advance, and they do have up to as low as 13.69% APR. So on to the third and final one. Before we get into the third one, man, don't forget to check out the channel, man. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and join the YouTube membership. Press this video right here. Press this button right here, join the YouTube memberships, and don't forget to check out my link tree, man. Connect with me and start getting a coaching call today. If you want to start an online store, I do also provide that as well. And also connect with me in my personal life and subscribe to my personal YouTube channel, man, at KINGLATTA TV. We do post, every now and then, but we're gonna get back active on this channel. So with all that being said, let's get right back into it. And for the third one, we do have FNBO, and with FNBO, it's pretty self-explanatory as well. Get up to $10,000 and get it easy, man. All you would do, they have all of this stuff right here, but for the loans, you would go to lending, and as you can see, man, they have these personal lines of credit, 1.9 APR for 6 months. And guys, that's pretty much, that's good right there. 1.9 APR for 6 months. You can save a lot of money in interest with that. They have personal loans. You can view the rates. So let's go right here and view our rates. Our zip code, let's go ahead and put our real zip code this time, 32218, just in case, man. Change zip code, whatever. They don't actually, what? That's crazy. So let's put our second zip code, because we are all over the nation. We are in Houston, Texas as well. So this is our second zip code right here. And unfortunately, we do not offer this product in this area as well. So for FNBO, I'm glad I put this last, because they don't actually have it in all of the states, guys. So do your due diligence on FNBO. And actually, FNBO, they do have good rates. I just wish that they had their opportunity open for different states, guys. But let's see if the business also has this error. So we're gonna contact the branch and see if that they are eligible to give us some money. So small business lines of credit, small business loans. So yeah, they yeah, man, you would just contact the branch and you could apply. So as you can see, this you can go to your zip code. Let's see. I'm scared, man. Like, I'm trying to see what they got in Texas, but I believe that they don't have nothing in Texas. 77049, Houston, Texas. And as you can see, the closest thing they probably have to Houston, Texas, the closest branches is, okay, they got a bunch of Walgreens locations. But that's not an actual branch, so I don't know how you would get signed up with FNBO. With that being said, guys, I hope this video is educational for you. FNBO seems a little suspect, but they do give out $10,000 if you are in that region, guys, if they do have a bank in your area. So just do your due diligence on that. But if you like this video, man, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And with all that being said, man, we out. Whoop! Thank you for watching this full video, guys. Don't forget to like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so many more can learn how to make this money the easy way, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do invest the easiest way possible, guys. I do have trading videos over on the channel, as well as how to get started in the trucking business, because I did start a trucking business at the age of 19. And guys, literally 13-year-olds could trade and make up to $100 to even $1,000 a day the way I teach trading, guys. So feel free to look through the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description. You can reach out with me and get a one-on-one consultation call, so you can start whatever business that you need the easiest way possible. And guys, my name is KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group. Until tomorrow, because we do post every other day. We out. Woo!
You talking money.